So I put all my tools that I wanted inside for now. So go ahead and give you a little look here. Up top here, pretty much the majority of the sockets will ever use the metric half-inch, standard half-inch, metric, and standard 3/8 drive, sorry, and then quarter-inch drive, metric, standard. So these are the Harbor Freight socket stands, socket holder things. Some extensions, half-inch, 3/8, and quarter. Side, I have screwdrivers. They kind of fall over here, so it's one thing. They're kind of random sizes here for things. Bigger screwdrivers, I did notice that if you put them in the big holes, they fall down far enough, you can use them. All these rails fit in here, which is nice, so the whole box. Big flat area, put magnetic trays here. This is more screwdrivers. I have some empty ones. So first left drawer over here. Not really sure what I'm going to do with this one yet. I just have my Harbor Freight $6 wrench type thing, the little bargain ones. I'll probably change that drawer up a bit. This drawer is ratchets. I also have some more room for upgrading. All my ratchets, my flex heads, my Husky quarter, my Pittsburgh composite, Husky 3/8, my swivel head Pittsburgh Pro, and my half-inch Husky. Good selection, I think. This drawer is my main wrenches, so my metric Husky wrenches. I did buy the 14-piece metal wrench stand from Harbor Freight. I like it okay. It doesn't fit all the wrenches. I think it's just universal, so not all of them fit. But, and then standards over here, I'm missing a 7/8. It's out in my dad's shop, but I have more room to grow there. And then my metric flex head ratcheting wrenches. Bottom drawer, not completely filled. My offset wrenches, half-inch torque wrench, and then the rest of my sockets, which is the long standard drive. Sorry, I wanted to put my Craftsman shorts up here because I'm going to use those because they're 6 points more often, and I have a full set of those because I'm missing a couple here. So I'm not going to use those as much. Then I have a full set of metric Craftsman sockets, shorts, 6 points, and then my 12-point standard metric, or I think it's standard and metric. These are some random 6-point quarter-inch drive, standard and metric. And then these are some long metric and standard quarter-inch drive, rusted old Craftsmans. All these are Craftsman USAs, by the way. 5/8 spark plug, my only snap-on tool, snap-on 3/4-inch intact, and then some adapters. So that's it for the drawers. Bottom down here fits a bunch of stuff. Actually, I could put more, but I just wanted room to grow. 25-inch breaker bar, Pittsburgh Pro, my pass-through socket set from Craftsman. I used to have it in a magnetic tray, but I put it back in its own case just because I wanted to. It's a pretty decent set, full size. The ratchet's all right. It's pretty good. Down here is just my electrical drawer, or electrical thing. I could put it in a drawer. So just wires, crimps, connector, a bad multimeter. I have a different one I'll show you in a minute. So the reason I got this, well, not only because I needed more room, is because I built a new workbench and I changed my little shop garage area over here. So I'm going to show you guys that next. If you watch my other videos, you'll know it's a little different. It may look smaller, but it's a better situation. So what I did here is I built a stronger workbench. My last one was a little flimsy. I couldn't really hammer on it. This one is actually a frame. It's not going anywhere. It's bolted to the wall. I built a frame for the pegboards. I have 6 of them. 16 by 48, I believe. 4 feet by foot and a half, whatever that is. And a little shelf up here for random stuff, soldering iron, 13.8 power supply. You know, it's the same tools pretty much I've always had, so I'm not going to do a full tour, but screwdrivers, stuff I use all the time, my new Milwaukee nut drivers. I put a power strip, my charger for my thing, my parts bins, and I built these little shelves for chemicals and oil, stuff like that. So this might look a little different too is because I'm not using this. I'm using all three of these boxes as one type of thing. I closed the lid on this Craftsman box, well, the stickers on it, and I just have papers in there. And then I put this Husky, I know I switched the labels, the Husky 3-drawer up here. So pretty much it's the same. I changed some drawers around, you know. Up here I have Allen's, that's different. Same here, screwdrivers. If you've watched my other videos, you've seen all this, more screwdrivers. Change these drawers around though, these are more pliers, different stuff now. These are my more mechanical pliers. Thinking about, or stuff I work with cars on, I should say, if they're all mechanical. I'm probably going to move this side of the drawers into that card over there, the top left drawer, eventually. This bottom drawer is now crimps, other random pliers. I have more room. And this bottom drawer is now completely empty. It used to be sockets, all of my sockets. Well, actually, not all, the extra sockets. So down here is also empty. So look at that, I got 2 new drawers. This bottom drawer, still my 19.2 Craftsman. Heat shrink, you know, all the same stuff. My Velman multimeter and then some pry bars. Down below, I'm not going to show you, it's just bags, the Harbor Freight bags. So, same thing over here. I put my Craftsman Drill, my 18-volt down there in the case and flashlight though. I took one of these shelves off, so it's a little shorter. But this workbench is a lot nicer, in my opinion. I like it a lot better. Makes the garage look a lot cleaner, organized. So, I built this workbench knowing that I was buying this. So I built it around the specifications. I'm pretty sure it fits. Off the numbers on the website, it should fit. I haven't tried it yet. I don't think there's going to be a problem. I made it bigger by a couple inches on each side. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. And show you how it rolls, first of all. It's just one-handed, so not bad. Could be better, but it's not the best. I mean, it's pretty good, sorry. It's could be better, but it's not the best. Yeah, I guess that's the right wording. Sorry. Okay, so I'm going to lock these. I believe that's locked. So, look at that. It does fit. So, that is the final product here so far of what I've done. That was the point of building that workbench, and because my other one was pretty bad, but it was to fit around this. So one thing is, now that this top is closed under here, I cannot get into the drawers. That is a good thing in a way, because people can't steal it as easily. I mean, they could just roll it out, but I have it locked. But it is going to be a problem if I need something while I'm at the workbench. So there's 2 options here. I've seen people take the lid off and just put it on the back and hang it over, because it's just nut and a screw. Or I can leave these drawers out a little bit, but I'm afraid those might fly out with, like, you know, bumping it or something. So I'm gonna over the next couple days, if I start working out here, see which one works best for me. Or I might just roll the thing out and put it over here on the side and open it up if I need it, because I do have wrenches up here, and I don't have sockets that are not in here, but I'm not going to need that many. So that's about it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a like down below. If you didn't like it, leave a dislike. Tell me why, though. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Just recently got 100 subscribers. It's awesome. And my final words on this toolbox is, it's great. If you can get it for $100, do it. And I believe it is on sale right now for $100. So if you need one, go get it. I'll see you in the next one.